So I want to start with a hadith of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam that I think is very important. It is the first hadith that Sayyiduna al-Imam al-Bukhari rahimahullah mentioned in his Sahih. And I want us all to reflect on this hadith, and I want us to implement it. Imam al-Bukhari, and we relate for him with a continuous chain of narration through our teachers, he said in the beginning of his Sahih, إنما الأعمال قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم إنما الأعمال بالنيات وإنما لكل امرئ ما نوى. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he said what means that all the actions are by the intentions, and every individual will get that which he intended. This is an important hadith, and we should put it in front of everything we do. If you want success from Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala in any deed, it is important that you start that deed with a good intention. And one of our great scholars, his name was Imam Ahmad Ramli rahimahullah ta'ala, he authored a book of poetry, and he mentioned in that book a line. He said, فَصَحَّهِ النِّيَّةِ الْقَبْلَ الْعَمَلِ وَأْتِي بِهَا مَقْرُونَةً بِالْأَوَّلِ وَإِن تُدِمْ حَتَّى بَلَغْتَ الْآخِرَةِ خُسْتَ الثَّوَابَ كَامِلًا فِي الْآخِرَةِ. Which means, correct your intention before the deed. Correct your intention before the deed. Bring that intention at the beginning of the deed. So before you start, correct your intention. And then when you start the deed, make sure you have that intention present. And if you can allow that intention to last throughout the deed, you will get the complete reward for that deed in the hereafter. This is extremely important explanation of that hadith of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Because oftentimes a person may come with a bad intention. And if you have a bad intention, it's going to determine the acceptance of your deed. Without ikhlas, without sincerity, which your intention should be sincere, you're going to lose the reward of your deed. Instead of that deed being something that Allah rewards you for, it may become a source of the thing that Allah punishes you for. So I remind myself and I remind you with having husnul niyyah, a good intention.